If you're one of the millions of people with health care coverage through the Affordable Care Act, you might be wondering how it could change after the upcoming election.
Government data show more than 21 million Americans signed up for the coverage, also known as Obamacare, in the most recent enrollment period. That's the most ever. Despite that, though, experts are warning it could be in jeopardy. NBC News health and medical reporter Berkeley Lovelace Jr. joins us now. So, Berkeley, experts do say a full repeal of the Affordable Care Act does seem unlikely, but what could change here?
Yeah, so a full repeal is unlikely, but experts I spoke with said if Republicans make huge strides in the upcoming election, they could likely let expire subsidies that allow Obamacare to be more affordable for people. So these subsidies lower the monthly cost of premiums for people on these plans. They were first passed under the American Rescue Plan in 2021, and then they were extended again under the Inflation Reduction Act in 2022. And I've been told, Sinclair, that more than 3 million people could go uninsured because they're no longer able to afford their insurance without the subsidies.
Berkeley, I know you also talk to people who are covered under the Affordable Care Act. What are they saying?
Yeah, so the families I spoke with said that they were worried that they won't be able to afford their care. So one person I spoke to in Pennsylvania, she said without the subsidies, basically her husband would have to use all of his income in order to pay for their health insurance. They're also not alone. There was a poll that came out in KFF today that found nearly 3/4 of adults are worried about paying their medical bills. And there's also another finding that it found is also 50% of people in the U.S., including a quarter of Republicans, also want the next president to expand the ACA, not scale it back.
And Berkeley, not everyone uses ACA insurance, right? So will people who are not part of that insurance exchange be impacted by this?
Right. So the people that will be directly impacted will be people with low incomes who qualify for the subsidies under the ACA. So these are people who would pay 8% or more of their income on health insurance. And so we have a map on our website that found that over the past 4 years, that biggest growth has been in southern states, such as Florida and Texas. And we believe, experts told me, because of the subsidies. So it would be expected that those people in those states would be largely affected. Sinclair.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.